How about a brand new and improved 1969 Chevelle SS? This car has 6 miles on it since it was just built. This is probably the sixth or seventh car I've bought from this gentleman over the years. He likes building them and brings them here, and I buy them. So it is a body off frame restoration, 496 stroker big block, vintage air, 5-speed manual transmission, posi, Willwood brakes, all the good stuff. Go to volocars.com. We have over 200 classic cars for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here, along with pictures, videos, all the information, financing. There's a QR code on your screen that'll bring you directly to this car, and the link in the description will do the same. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. I just called the shop. The front end sits too high. We don't have the stance right, or the guy who built it. It's all new, but we're going to put coilovers on the front so we don't play the guessing game. We'll get it adjusted just right. So never mind this height. This is going to be lowered down, and we'll put new pictures on once that's done. But yeah, it's got the SS domed hood. All fits square and straight, and the car is straight and all fits beautifully. It's all real nice. Painted LeMans Blue, has metallic laid out evenly with a glossy clear coat. Very slick door jambs, weather strips replaced, door shuts nice, quarter panels are clean. All of this is nice and clean and straight and fits very nicely. Beautiful color. Oh, this door is already partially open. Look at the jambs, how slick they are. So the car presents beautifully. Now that I'm inspecting it, there's a little dust in the paint or little imperfections here and there. It's all new, so there's no scratches, nothing like that. Um, and it's beautiful. I'm being very critical. It has the SS stripe down each side. The vinyl top is new. All the stainless moldings have been replaced. The rubber seals, weather strips, door handles, mirrors, all replaced. Windshield's new. The chrome grills here are new. The emblems, marker lights, everything up front here, the grill, the bumper, the lenses. Has the upgraded H4 LED headlights. They are rolling on 17-inch billet style, billet SS style wheels wrapped in Nitto Performance tires. And again, there's 6 miles on all of this. The nubs are still on the tread of the tires. So it hasn't even done any good burnouts yet. And same thing in back. All the tail lights, bumper, trim, back window looks new as well. So the car's got a lot of features, air conditioned, power windows. Why don't we show you all that good stuff? All right, here we go. Let's open the trunk. New latch, painted glossy, stickers replaced. Looks like nice hardware. The jambs are clean. Weather strip is replaced. You can see it's all boxed, upholstered, carpeted floor. Now subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you do that, click the bell icon so you keep up to date with what we're posting. As I said, those jambs are clear coated. They're slick. Weather strips, sill plates replaced. Complete reproduction interior, the door panels, the armrests, the handles. No window cranks because they are power windows. And I just put a couple of the side windows up. It looks like he replaced all the glass. Let's light up the dash. Yeah, nice modern gauges. If you scroll through, I was just trying to find the odometer. At 6.6 miles, you can do your quarter mile time, all sorts of stuff on there. Got a clock. This is all replaced. Vintage air electric slides, not the old cables. Retro stereo. All this is new. Oh, got some electronics in here. This is all new. Carpet's all fresh. Chevelle floor mats. The center console's all new. I love this billet shift handle with the 5-speed. It has all the GM, a little hard to get out of there, all the GM seat belts. Seats all re-cushioned, reupholstered, new headrests. The seat backs look to be like some good originals. Back here, the carpet's real nice. The light works on the back of the console. The upholstery, side panels, rear shelf, seat belts, all replaced. trimmer on the back window's nice. Headliner's been replaced. Got the shoulder belts, working dome lights, matching new visors, new mirror. This is an I did it tilt column and ignition. And this is an actual wood rim wheel. It's a little thicker. It feels good in the hand than the plastic one. So it's a real wood steering wheel. So yeah, very nice interior. All upgraded American Auto wire harness with the blade type fuses. Oh yeah, this is where it gets good. That's a 496 stroker. So they start with a 454. So all fresh. It's got aluminum heads, aluminum performer intake carburetor, and it's a dual feed Holley carburetor. MSD ignition system. Looks like a smoothed out firewall. Stainless steel headers. Nice braided heater hoses. Yeah, an Optima battery with spring clamp cables. Chrome on top of here. It's an aluminum radiator. I forget the name of it, called Cold Case. I thought that was clever, with dual electric fans. Nice billet front runner system, the bracket, the serpentine pulleys, polished mini compressor, polished alternator. It even has a polished water pump. Modern power steering with the remote reservoir. And then it has power brakes, new wiper motor, the billet hinges that I love so much because they work so smoothly, hood insulation. So a lot going on under here, some cool stuff. Michael's going to demonstrate it for you. I'll see you in a couple minutes.
Right into the next gear. That's just fantastic. Same with the rumble of the exhaust. Really liking that note. Absolutely wonderful. I'm excited. Let's see what she's got. Feels so tough, looking so good. Nice fresh underside here. Let's see how it goes on the road. I mean, track's real nice. She's dialed in, ready to rock. Thoughtless downshift with the shifter. Very easy to use overall, and what a great time. Come down to the museum, take it for a test drive if you'd like to. You're always welcome here. And check out all the details at volocars.com.
So yeah, 6.6 miles, everything under the car has been rebuilt or replaced. Like I said, we are going to put coil over so that can be adjusted exactly to the right height. It sits up a little too high, in my opinion. But all the suspension and steering is completely rebuilt. It does have upgraded sway bars. The back sway bar is really fat. It has boxed rear control arms, Bilstein gas shocks in back. Really nice stainless exhaust with stainless Holley electric cutouts for the exhaust. There's actually 2 key fobs. You hit the button and it opens it up if you want to really rock and roll, uh, rattle the shutters, or you can close it for more of the normal sound. Even the normal is pretty aggressive. And it has the SS tips, it has Flowmaster mufflers, all new fuel system, new Willwood brake system with drilled and slotted discs at all 4 of the wheels, custom e-brake assembly. You look up at the motor, it's an extra capacity oil pan painted Chevy orange, PowerMaster high torque starter, a Tremec TKX, I think it is, 5-speed manual transmission, a Denny's uh, drive shaft in there, 12-bolt rear end with a chrome cover and 373 posi gears. Everything's painted and looks beautiful and clean underneath there. So pretty neat little car. It's a good looking car, great color. It will have a great stance. We will post pictures when that's done. Our shop is pretty backed up. It might be a couple of weeks, but it will get done. Air conditioned, manual shift, fun, fun, fun. Go to volocars.com. Salesman can help answer your questions like how to get this delivered to your door. Thanks for watching.